Welcome you all. We are going to discuss about machine design questions asked in the GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper. First question. Ball bearing question. They have given the relation L is equal to C by P power N. P is constant applied load, C is basic dynamic load rating. What is the value of N? Based on that, options are given. It is a standard formula, right? For the ball bearing, we have studied L10 is equal to C cube by P cube is equal to 60 N L10H by 10 power 6 million cycles. Unit is million cycles, right? Here, what is the value of N? N is nothing but 3, but there are two options, right? Two options. See the second level answer, outer race fixed, inner race revolving, inner race fixed, outer race revolving. So our formula is valid for outer race fixed, inner race revolving, right? Second option, this option is matching. Right. Next question. Which one of the following theories of failure is most conservative? So these are fatigue theories of failure, right? Conservative theory, safest theory is Soderbergh. In case of static theories of failure, the safest theory is Tresca theory for pure shear case. Right. Then here cylindrical member is welded or fixed at left end. In the other end, two loads are applied. One is axial load, another one is torque. Their values are given. What is asked? By considering the distortion energy theory, means von Mises theory, what is the value of factor of safety? So allowable yield stress value is given. SYT is given. SYT is given. Right. So what is SYT? 300, sir. Okay, right. So let us calculate the two stresses first. Sigma x, let us say sigma x axial, right. P by A. P is 100 into 10 power 3. Right. Area pi by 4 into 50 square is equal to 50.93 megapascal. Right. Then torsional shear stress, tau torsion is equal to tau xy, let us say tau xy equal to 16 T by pi d cube. Torque is how much? 600 Newton meters, sir. 600 into 10 power 3. 600 to 10 power 3 Newton mm by pi d cube. Pi into 50 cube equal to 24.45 megapascal. Right. Only two stresses are there. So we want input data for von Mises theory of failure. There are two formulas for von Mises theory of failure. One is in terms of principal stress, another one is in terms of tensor stress components. Right. So we want the second formula. Right. So sigma 1 equal to sigma x minus sigma y whole square plus sigma y minus sigma z whole square plus sigma z minus sigma x whole square by 2 this is first part, plus 3 into tau xy square plus tau yz square plus tau xz square under whole square root. This is von Mises stress formula, right? This will be equated to SYT, okay, SYT strength value divided by FOS, okay, right. Now substitute the values, directly we can get the answer, right? Substitute the values. 50.93, 50.93 square plus 0 plus again 50.93 square by 2 first part plus second part 3 into 24.45, okay, square remaining things are 0, right, equal to 300 given, right, by FOS, factor of safety, right. So the square root term is 66.236 equal to 300 by FOS. Factor of safety is equal to 4.53.